Hello viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, view and test. Today I have this laser level with tape measure, the model PLLM 10A1 from Parkside, for the precise alignment of pictures, shelves and more. Laser working range 2 meter, leveling accuracy 0.3 degrees more or less, tape measure length 1.5 meters, accessories included with batteries and 3 years warranty. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Okay, one battery, 2A battery, manual, two light indicators up and down, the on-off button, the measuring tape. We have the mounting pins left and right. The mounting pins are going at this small hole inside, and you can mount it at the wall with these mounting pins. Or you can use the gel pad, remove the protective cap, just rotate, remove, there is the gel pad. You have 3 gel pads, you can replace that, rotate, unlock and replace. And it locks. It is sticky. Yes. You can install that at the wall, wherever you want to work. Install and these 2 pins. And of course you can rotate that 360 degrees. It has magnets, you can remove that. And here you can install the battery. And turn on. Green light. Here it is the laser. So how it works that? If you want to use these 2 pins, better have this position because the laser, it will hit at the pin. You will not have correct measurements. Install it like that with double tape or with these 2 pins. Draw a line. Here you have the middle of the laser. There it is. That it will be at the wall. So the only thing that you have to do is pull the measuring tape, alignment. If you want to install shelves, make the line, draw a line with your pencil and then install the shelves. Okay. This is the first time that I'm seeing that type of product. I have just installed it at the wall. We can see on the 2 LED indicators. Rotate. Alignment very well. There it is, we have 2 green lights. If the alignment is off, we have the orange light, up or down. There it is. Then take the measure tape where you want. At the front and at the back we have this gap, so the laser, it will go through this gap. And we can see the laser is passing through this gap. There is then the laser. Make the line and install whatever you want. So easy. Sometimes it's going off alignment. Now it is okay. And of course you can use it vertical. Remove this pin. Alignment. And then you can use the tape. So easy to do. Choose vertical or horizontal and install whatever you want with high accuracy and at a cost of only 22 euros. Sometimes you can use the gel pad tape with or without the pins, depending on what you want to do. And to remove it is very easy. Remove the two pins, magnet, rotate that, remove, and the last it is the gel pad. There it is, remove it. And you can reuse it. You can clean it with alcohol and reuse it, or use one of the other three. Thank you for watching, my viewers. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. And it shut down automatically after 10 minutes.